I'm Sholom Benzev. I'm a CFE student and an options trader. So I started off as a software tester, and now I'm involved in option trading. I'm taking my testing skills and moving it from the software world into data testing for predicting volatility using machine learning and other non-parametric methods. So basically, when it comes to data testing, you want to see if you have stable moments, because otherwise all your trade decisions are going to be worthless, because you're most likely going to have overfit to a sample space, and as a result of overfitting, you're going to have adverse selection where your probability of losing money is going to be close to 100%, and if you get unlucky, you can hit a black swan and blow up your entire account. So, black swans are basically the tails of a distribution that has a fat tail, but most people think that the tail is really thin. And if you get unlucky, you find yourself all the way out in the fat tail. And as a result of that, you basically lose a lot of money, because the probability of that tail event happening was pretty much, most people have anticipated it to be very low, so nobody's planned for it. So if you find yourself in the place where most people find themselves not planning for it, you wind up with extreme adverse selection, and you wind up selling an option for pennies and it being worth, dollars or multiples of dollars. So it can really be very costly, especially if you're short a lot of contracts. Sure. So if you take like a lot of data, which people tend to do, take mounds of tick data, the problem is that a lot of your data isn't relevant to the current situation in the market. If your sample space is really small, then you have the problem of overfitting. So the thing is to take your huge sample space, or your large set of data, chop it up into different windows or different sample spaces, and then analyze the behavior or pattern of a sample space changes. So you run your evolutionary algorithm or statistical learning algorithm on each sample space. You get your metrics such as P&L, volatility of P&L, max drawdown, and then you see how those metrics change from one sample space to another. And then you could do some non-linear curve fitting on the P&L data points and extrapolate going out into the future from that. CARR Challenge is awesome. Sign up now.